Hey y'all! Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be unboxing Celebration Chest.
I'm so excited about Anna Griffin's new finishing school box.
I know, just in time for the summer. And it is another fabulous drawer box that she has. And check that out, all red, white, and blue. There's the front. You can see that. There we go. All right. So we have cheated a little bit in a sense that we've taken off the pretty tissue paper, and we slightly opened some of the all crinkly cellophane so that we're not all crinkly on.
Oh, we didn't sneak or peek too much.
No. Okay. So here we go. Here comes the drawer. All right.
So glad we get to do this together.
Yeah.
We haven't done this all year, right?
No.
I don't think so.
I mean, we've done it through Zoom.
Thank goodness.
Stop it.
Oh, you stop it.
But yes, this is the first one this year that we actually get to open together in person. So that is exciting. And this looks fantastic. So here's some of the samples that they show. They're very festive, very summery. Let's see. You make me proud. Birthday wishes for my husband. Oh, that sounds good. Look at all the stars. All right. Should we start with the layers?
Yeah, let's start with the layers. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm going to change my mind.
You're allowed to do.
Yes, I am. Let's look at the card bases.
Ooh.
Do you keep your belly bands?
No, I do not. I don't want girdles in my life.
Okay, you have 2 cards of each base.
And those are about 5.5 by 5.5?
Yeah.
Or
6 by 6.
Something like that.
I bet you they're 6 by 6. Oh my goodness. They had some quilting fabric like that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it Anna Griffin Craft?
No,
it was just very similar.
Yeah, very similar.
Ooh, that's got some gold foil. Nice. Wow. That one has the little fleur-de-lis in the corner.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Little swirlies. It reminds me of those.
Got a little starburst.
And foil. Ooh.
Ooh, I love this color. It's a great color, but I really love the stars.
Yes.
In the corner. Our lighting's not super great today.
It's they're like little shooting stars.
It is. I like that. Lots of little corner accents on these.
Yeah.
This one is similar. It's just in red.
A little bit tan on the edge.
Oh, hello, gorgeous.
Hello, gorgeous.
Look at that.
Like fireworks on a card. Like, you almost don't even want to cover it up. It's so pretty.
I know.
And that's just the base of the card. And
it's just the base.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, it's just pretty.
It's like, what's called that? Blue. Not the blue willow. Because this is all the delta.
Wedgwood?
That's what I'm thinking.
Wedgwood.
Wedgwood.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's Wedgwood blue, right?
Yes, absolutely. I have a couple pieces of Wedgwood.
I know. Look at this one with the stars.
Fancy.
Ooh. Oh yeah. It's a nice, deep, rich blue.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at all the full stars.
Yeah. Swirls and stars.
It is celebration for sure.
It is. That was like a celestial feel to it.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Used with celestial fire.
Okay, I will let you choose the base.
Okay. That is. All right. Yeah, we're getting. Okay. So, it looks like there's 2 of each of these layers as well. And again, 6 by 6 or maybe 5.
And they're double
They're
sided.
double-sided. I was excited that I was going to hold it up, and I'm like, oh, it's double-sided. Double-sided, y'all. So that's a very nice. I can't see myself like where I'm holding it.
We got a nice print on the front,
Yeah,
and
the red,
a
white, and
beautiful blue on the back.
Right.
Wow, that looks like denim. Is that like a denim?
It's very tone on tone.
Mm-hmm.
The navy tone on tone there, you could get a little
Oh, wow. I just saw that.
glimpse of that. Yeah, all those little swirls in there. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of like that Wedgwood blue again.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, and then on the back is just a solid. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
Mm-hmm. All medallions on there, and the pretty blue. Solid on the back.
Oh, love that red.
Some red medallions as well. Solid. Oh, it's a tiny, tiny little pinstripe. Oh my gosh. It's a baby pinstripe. It's so little. Can you even see it? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, wait. There it is. There it is. Oh my gosh. Trust us. It's tiny. Tiny little pinstripe. It's kind of a different type of medallion on there. Yeah. Nice.
These are really yummy. Ooh, I love that.
Look at that. It's pale, and it's a tonal page again. It's blue. Really.
It's like wallpaper. I want the image. I love having them.
Oh my gosh, they're tiny little baby stars.
Oh, are they baby stars?
They're baby stars. Aww, look at the little baby stars. Those are not polka dots. They're baby stars.
Without glasses, they look like this.
Yeah. Put it up. There we go. I had to hold it way up so you can see all the tiny stars. Oh, it's like a parchment look on the back. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, this reminds me of like a bandana.
Yeah,
Right? Like a summer bandana or like a summer cotton dress or something.
Mm-hmm.
Blue. Very
Those
nice.
are great.
Okay, do you want to take the sentiments?
Yeah, I'll do the sentiments.
Okay.
Put those over there. So we have a nice bag. Oh, you did not? Okay.
I figured we could do that song.
Little challenge here.
I didn't do my job, y'all.
You did not. You had one
I have
job. Gosh, one job. You did. Okay, this one's like a little banner. It says happy birthday. Oh. This one says congratulations.
Mm-hmm.
It's another little banner. There's a lot of cute little banners.
Well, yeah, I feel like for a celebration, you want banners.
For my wonderful friend. Sweet. For my hero.
That's nice.
Yes. What does that say?
So it doesn't say anything that
Y'all, I do not have my glasses on.
Maybe I should.
Yes.
This one is really nice. It's for a one-of-a-kind guy. It's red. It's got little stars, gold foil stars on the edge. I'm there we go.
This one says friends, family, and friends, family, and freedom.
Nice. Fun.
For my favorite guy.
You got it.
I got it. At first I thought it said friendly. I'm like, no, that's not right. That's not right.
For my friendly guy.
For my friendly guy. Just for you.
Another banner. I like how those banners are. Like they're different.
They're
like from the top.
Mm-hmm. I keep having to turn them.
Mm-hmm.
This one says birthday wishes. Let's celebrate.
Oh, perfect for this box.
Happy birthday to you.
Nice. Happy birthday, America.
Bold stripes. Does that say bold? Bold
Yes.
stripes and brave hearts. Okay. You make me proud. Sorry. This is about celebrating my sister today.
apparently.
Hooray! It's your day. Yes, it is. I told you that. Father and friend.
There we go.
For my husband.
Yay! That's nice.
Best wishes. Now these are the right way. They're not this way.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So summer top and summer
Summer
bottom.
bottom, yeah.
Mhm.
Best wishes.
3 cheers for you.
Oh my gosh. I
I know.
didn't get that one at all. I thought it said something about being blessed. On this special day. And last, but certainly not least, celebrate.
Celebrate good times. Come on! Those are nice. Again, in these fabulous red and blue colors.
Yeah.
Several shades of blue. Really nice red.
These are so beautiful.
Okay, so you want me to take the...
Yeah, now that the hard
Inside.
job is done.
Okay. Okay, so this is all the other embellishments in the little bag here. So lots of little banners. I'm trying to like keep them all kind of together here. There's reds and blues.
We got banners.
There's reds and blues and tans. Yeah, that's really pretty.
I'm peeking.
Oh, that's part of that. I didn't even realize. It's like that's attached. So yeah, look at there's this little swirly star,
That's really cool.
and the star is attached. I thought I was ready to like pick it up because I thought it was separate. That's really neat. Oh, look at all these beautiful stars.
Look at these banners. I know this is supposed to be you.
That's you.
Yes. That looks like a mustache.
Oh, beautiful.
Looks like a mustache. Oh, sweet. Or we could go.
Could it be a handlebar? I just have a little mustache.
I must ask you a question.
The answer is yes. So yes, little cute little single banners, and then these double banners.
Yeah.
And these are really cute. They are like the bunting.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a fun word to say. Right. Look at that little medallion and the star on there, 3D star. Oh, love these. So fun for the summer. And I love summer stuff. I mean, I decorate my house red, white, and blue from Memorial Day to Labor Day. Mm-hmm. So I really want to make things like this. Some more swirls and stars. And, lots of little stars together here. Oh, look at all these
Get some swirls.
Lots of gold swirls. Swirls, girls. We got swirls.
Is that a tuba?
I hope so, because that's what I think it is too.
We believe this is a tuba. Wah wah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's gotta be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, for marching down the street on the 4th of July.
Right.
These little,
It's cute. Is that a whistle?
it is. Yeah.
Aw.
Fun. Oh, these are fantastic. Look at these little
Oh, I
red, white, and
love
blue,
those.
like double banners. I think it's super cute. And there's a little bit of foil on them. Oh, there's red swirls, blue swirls,
gold swirls, white swirls. I think I saw some white ones in there.
or they're upside down.
It may be upside down. I did look. It looked like it was right on the side.
More little tiny banners. Stars, stars and stripes forever. Yeah, I love all the gold stars.
Yeah. Aw, thanks.
Gold star. Gold star.
Aw, thanks.
Come.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're trying to get these little gold stars back into the box.
Right. Well, I'm about to take them out because
Oh no, they're in the way.
more things will crinkle and wrinkle later.
Yes.
All right.
These are lovely round layers.
They're like medallions.
I think
So- Yeah, 2 of each. So we've got a red one. This looks like the
card.
the card.
Yeah, and like fireworks.
Yes. These are full. There's a blue one.
Because baby, you're firework.
You have a song for everything.
Yeah.
Just like a jukebox.
Ooh, look at that.
This is really cool.
Mhm.
So this is all. Here we go. It's all cut.
There's 2 of each of these.
Yeah.
These are really nice.
So this one's just a gold
White and
one,
gold.
and this is a red.
Mhm.
This is just all blue, and there's an all red.
They are fireworks.
These are so cool with all these little embellishments over here.
Oh,
And our new rosette dies.
yeah.
Okay, and then there's a blue one.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
All right.
Okay, so then the rest of the box, we've got gold foil, gold standard right here. It's our favorite.
We have a pack of envelopes that will house all these beautiful cards.
Yes. Gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
Yeah.
Look at
The
this.
best for last.
I know, right? Oh my God, this is so exciting. Okay, go ahead.
No, you go. You do it. No, you do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Look at that gorgeousness.
It's so pretty. Oh my
I
gosh.
cannot imagine what that's going to look like when you cut it out of that gold foil.
Oh, and there's more. But wait, there's more. There's the deposit folder. Let me get it out of here, and then we can share. Let's share better.
I'm gonna give you. Here, put that in. Put the gold folder.
Oh, let's see. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
A little bit, yeah. Boy,
Oh my, like anesthetic. You hold your mouth right? That's how I feel like now.
oh my goodness.
There's just so much fabulousness in this embossing folder. The corners, it is a celebration.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then these stuff. Oh my gosh,
Those dies are insane.
So I mean, there's
This shot here.
there are beautiful ribbon bows for corners. There's a circle die that I'm sure does a really great shadow layer for this really cool, intricate. It's kind of like a doily, but these little parts of it are stars. The little edges are tiny little stars.
Wow.
And then this gorgeous medallion in the center. I mean, this is fantastic. It's just like wow.
I cannot wait.
This is going to be one of those dies where you think it's gorgeous here, and then you go to cut it and you're just blown away by what you have in your hand. Like, that's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Well, we will definitely be doing a project on this. My my celebration box is waiting for me at home.
Yes. So I was so happy to share that with you.
Thanks,
Aw, so pretty. So pretty. So we hope that you enjoyed the unboxing.
So let us know what your comments are, and if you're as excited about this beautiful box. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and hit the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we have a new project released.
Yes, or any new video at all. Yeah, right. I mean, if you're not sick of it, come on back.
No.
Right. No. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Love y'all.